Hey everyone, I made it into HomeGoods and look at this, $5.99. So normally we find it in the white and blue. They have the bowl to match. Hand wash only, not microwave or oven safe. 4 and 5 for the little one. We love it, right? And then we love the tall vases in here. Okay, oh, pillows. Apple cider, queso and chips, taco salad, okay, jam and sweet. Okay, I don't think I've seen these. Not the toast one. Teapots. Okay, everything's kind of mixed down here at the bottom. We have Lilo and Stitch for each. We get 2 really cute ladybug cake stand cupcake. Oh, I know we've seen this. It's the guy, yeah, from Up. The carrot one, flower. Okay, it looks like maybe the same. 13 in the back. I don't think we've seen that one, but there's another one really similar. Oh gosh, another mushroom. But look what we have, a little Nomi friend on it. That's really cool. We just came from TJ Maxx and saw mushrooms. Okay, $5.99. I love it. I love it. Everything here is Disney redone. Look how nice. $5.99. You have your bling, lots of trays. They are mirrored on top. So 13 for that small one. Then it gets larger. They have it in silver as well. The candy dishes and the really colorful vases on top. Oh, look at that yellow. Very delicate for 13. I feel like a large crystal ball in the making. It's kind of cool looking. I don't think I've ever seen that. This lemon one's cute. Hand painted only 17. 17 for the smaller one. It's kind of cool looking. Can you believe only 4? They're really thick too. They kind of remind me of the Renaissance. Okay, here's a cute cherry one for 5. Isn't that cute? With the red on the inside. Okay, we have more mugs. I Love Teacher. Salt and pepper shaker. This one's 5. Teacups. Okay, Winnie the Pooh noodle bowl. And you know, all these ones that are really cool, I think, with your design. $4 here. Oh, look at that. Is that a dragon? Okay, we have a new Mickey one. 10. Maybe we've seen it. Not too sure. Is that a dog? Dogs in the corner. Okay, that colorful bunny right here, he's new. And he is cool looking for 17. Kind of looks like jellyfish. Or maybe they're shells. I don't know. Pretty cool looking. And I don't see anything too new. Have you guys been finding anything new for Easter? It's been kind of the same. Let me walk down here. Empty down here. Okay, we have more glassware in this area. Tinkerbell coffee. I want to say this is clearance over here. I see some red tag. Oh, there's a skull one for 20. We might have seen that one. Find margarita one. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at the stem. $5.99, giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes right there. That's kind of cool looking. Let me pull this one out for $5.99. That's a really nice one. I love good glassware. I don't even know how I got into it. Age. $5.99 here. Really like those blue ones though. So down here is the organization. A lot of containers. Some say coffee on it. We have a lemon print. And then everything you need. You know, bento box, anchor hocking. They have glassware. Your plastic. Then on the opposite is eggs. Stuff for your eggs, stuff for your fridge. Some are starting at $10, some are $5.99. So much organization. Oh, wow. I never really been into a Home Goods that's like pretty empty, like in the aisles. Like this location is the only one I could freely like just walk around. Normally you have to keep moving. What is that? Mango pineapple? That is oh, that is green tea. Vegan gummy mix. Okay. That's 3. And then more apple stuff. Okay, if you love your glam, they have it for you for $13. Your trays. Rachel Zoe. Hotel. These are $15. Oh, look at that one. Little frosted at the bottom. Oh gosh, Martha with a large wooden. I never seen this one. 13. It's kind of cool and interesting. Butterfly prints. Okay, check this out. It's kind of cool. I kind of dig it. I find it groovy. $700 for like this orange like little bench chair. And then the pillows, they totally match. They're $17. The glass blue lamps are $70. And more lamps down here. That's kind of cool too, $70. I kind of like it without the shade. I'm not too sure on the price, but really nice, like tropical vibes, vacation vibes right here. Really nice one. And this one has a face on it. Double face for $50. So just like the orange one, I found a blue one. Really nice. And check out this shelf. Let's see. 200. Yep. 200. And right next to me, same with the mirror. 200. 100, and we walk down here. 180 and 40. Really nice Tahari. 130. I never know if I'm pronouncing this name right. Tahari, I don't know. Sounds like Tahari to me. And 50. What's behind it? The 2-piece one is 80. And $300. Let me see if I could. There we go. Okay, that's kind of a cool one, right? I've never seen that. The next to me, you guys, these are new here. They're going to be $40. And $180 if you love that studding. There's some really nice wood shelves today. Oh, this one's glass. 17. I was thinking, you know, because we're in the melamine department. That was going to be like plastic. So tons of lemon outdoor ones. Flamingo, your bees, the pineapple. The cactus with the margarita glass. 5. Well, it's not glass. Wish it was. I would get a few of the cactus, you know, for desert. I'm in the desert. These are kind of cool too up top. Oh, I love that blue color. Oh, look at this. They're like spiky for $4. $3.99. We have a strawberry. These are $5.99. A bumpy one. Look, it's like a little spoon and bowl for sorbet. Hey, they have a mushroom dispenser. Okay, I'm feeling like the year of the mushroom decor, because finding mushroom decor is actually kind of rare. Well, in my areas. So yeah. Look at that handle. That's a different one. $10. Stitch, Dino, Winnie the Pooh, of course. All of your pinks are over here. Those are for $3.99, and you get 4 in this set for $10. Down here it looks like floral, like garden. Bird homes, the fairies over here, a little gnome guy on top. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this location of Home Goods. Thank you so much for joining me on the walkthroughs. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.